This car is just it was just made for in the whole wide world. As you see this car like this, it's called automatic reverser. You see this car, come close. As you can see, you see this car. If you are hungry, you want to eat, you can put your food here. Choma can never be poor, it's plenty. You see this one? This one is called the bed reverser. If you want to sleep now, you just do like this. The thing will sleep and you will sleep. You see this close, you close. Let me show you something. Just see. You see, it close. This one same here. I can touch it like this. It will start coming. But okay, yes. See something now. If I touch it now like this, sure you can see. If I touch it now like this, you go back. Sure you can see. This car can also be used as a bedroom, as a sitting room. This is the parlor of the car. This is a bedroom. Choma can never be poor. If you want to sit down now, maybe this place now. If you want to eat, you can put your food here and you eat. Choma can never be poor. Maybe if you want to sleep now, you can raise it up. You can use this one as a pillow. You can sleep. Choma can never be poor. The AC of this car is made from Canada, but the carburetor of the car is made from China. Let's go. You see, this is the engine of the car. You see this engine? See the engine of the car? You can see. This is what we call the VT bumper. This car does not use a battery. See the space for a battery. Instead of putting a battery, you put these two things together. If I put in now, the car will start, but I don't want the car to start because